It's afternoon, and I just had to show you this sky. It's been raining all day, and this is the sky that it's left behind. Look at how blue the blue is, and how beautiful those clouds are. Just stunning. Look at that peeking through right there. I'll take a quick walk over here, and I haven't looked yet, but my guess is that the cosmos are all beat up from all the rain. Oh, they don't look too terrible from a distance. Oh, that one's all flopped over, that one there. Poor thing. I'll have to see if I can stake it. Oh, these are all flopped over. Oh, they're all flopped over. And the gower is all flopped over. Well, what do you expect? Rain makes those delicate flowers heavy. Look at that. Oh, we'll see how much they bounce back after they dry out. Well, the dahlias in there, they're still doing okay. And look at that hollyhock. I love that. It's still standing upright. Oh my goodness. So just a little past the rain update. Let's take a look at the zinnias, see how the zinnias did. Oh, they're still standing upright. My goodness, look at how tall they've gotten. Wow. So pretty. Let's see if I can walk over here and give you a better view. There they are. Yep. Well, we're having some more warmth at the end of the week, so we'll see what bounces back. Hope you're enjoying your day. Thanks for stopping by. See you next time. Bye.